Oh, we have some new stuff to show you at Universal Orlando today. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick and Nikki here.
Hello.
Showing you what's new at Universal Orlando, giving you updates. And you know what? It's St. Patrick's Day.
It is.
You're wearing green. I don't have any green.
Exactly.
Luckily, one of our viewers found me. Gonna save me with some green beads today.
Yes, no pinching.
If you recall, in the last update video I did, I said if we concentrated hard enough and we focused, we might get a Mina Lima signing or meet and greet. And guess what? Just a few days after I posted that video, Mina Lima on their social media channels announced they would do a fan meet and greet at Universal Saturday, March 23rd from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Looks like the powers of our collective thoughts worked. Nikki, can you believe the power the Flixsters have with their minds?
Yes, I can.
Now,
I really.
Will it work with the shark wall though?
Maybe.
We'll see. Now here's the thing. I also have a feeling that if you're going to go to that Nina Lima signing, perhaps you should say that Arthur and Molly sent you.
I think you should.
I don't know.
I think you should do it.
I'm just thinking. So I've been working my way through the Mel's Drive-In menu, the revamped new menu. However, we have some new food in the Wizarding World at the Leaky Cauldron. What on earth am I going to do today? So far, this Puss in Boots character meet and greet is going well. It's not a catastrophe. You like that one, Nikki? Not a catastrophe?
Sounds very familiar. I think I used that same phrase in the Key West video.
Did you? Oh.
I did.
Oh, I'll give you credit for that.
Oh, thanks.
Let's pop into SpongeBob Store Pants, see if there's any new merchandise. And there's the big guy himself, Universal's other yellow fellow. For $45, I thought this was just a new SpongeBob plush. It is not. It's actually a pillow pet. Look at that, so cute. And Nikki found these earrings. I think these are $12 a pair. What do we have there? That's some Krusty Krab burgers.
Yes. And then we got some kissy fish.
Kissy fish. You made them kiss. You made them kiss.
I turned them so they would be kissing. And then what? Lobster.
Yeah.
And then some jellyfish.
Oh, so cute.
So all these are hard, and these are like squishy, like squishy.
It's squishy fish. The rest are hard.
Kissy fish.
I've never seen Universal sell these before. You know what these are? You can't tell right now, can you? They are belts. Nice buns. I bet that lines up nicely on the backside. Pricing for the belts, $22. So we have a troll over here doing a meet and greet. And we know a troller coaster is coming into this area. And we know the trolls like to sing. Do you think they're going to have a song? Troller coaster, have love, love, love. Troller coaster. Don't leave, I promise. That's the only singing I'm going to do today. I always think of food when I enter Springfield. Probably because this is Fast Food Boulevard. But we're having new Wizarding World food today. Can't stop here. You know I try to be helpful in these videos. Duff Brewery here doesn't open until 11 a.m. for serving beer, but Moe's, on the other hand, it opens at 10:30 for service. And I know for a lot of you, that is valuable information. Finally, here in Krusty Land, a prize I've never seen before. I don't know what it is, but it's here. And it is at several of the Midway games. Oh my goodness, some more new prizes I haven't seen before at the Dunk or Flunk. There's this one over here in this basket. And then we have these over here in this basket.
It must be your lucky day, Rick.
The standby wait for MIB is 25 minutes, but do you want to go single rider today, Nikki?
Yes, I'm feeling lucky.
Challenge accepted then?
Yes.
All done with our MIB challenge. We went single rider. That took what, 2 minutes, Nikki?
It was a walk-on.
Yeah.
That was great.
But we have not revealed our scores to each other.
No.
Who should go first?
You.
630K. What'd you get?
565. Darn it. But I did like win my car, so there's positive.
But it's been a while for both of us.
Yes, well, and it's hard when there's so many people and they're all shooting at similar targets, and then you don't even know where your dot is.
Can't find your red dot.
Exactly.
Yeah, it is better, like if you, when the slow season, you can be on a vehicle by yourself and against nobody else.
Or come very first thing in the morning,
yes.
like rope drop and come here.
Right on. We're gonna head into the Wizarding World right now, Diagon Alley. All types of new stuff in here. Well, more like food stuff. We're gonna try one of the new food entrees at the Leaky Cauldron, and then we'll get some new butterbeer snacks. Well, we mobile ordered when we were in Springfield. Now that we're at the Leaky Cauldron, I will click I'm here, prepare my food. This you see before you is the Leaky Cauldron Hunter's Chicken. It features chicken wrapped in crispy bacon and served with a barbecue sauce. The dish is topped with a blend of Monterey and cheddar cheese, accompanied by English mint peas and served alongside crispy wedge fries. $16.99. Okay, all done with our lunch. A new dish at the Leaky Cauldron, one of two. They also have a curry dish, but neither one of us wanted to have curry.
Nah, I wasn't in the mood today.
So we sort of shared the Hunter's Chicken. What do you think of it, Nikki?
I thought it was great. It's definitely not a shareable item.
It's individual.
The portion size is not big enough to share. My favorite part was the peas. The peas were, but I'm a veggie kind of person, the peas were great. They're beautiful. And the chicken was really good too. I'm not a fan of like bacon wrapped chicken, which is something you like. So I gave you the bacon and I just ate the chicken. But I enjoyed it.
I'm glad you had the peas because I had no peas. I'm not a veggie person. The fries were nice and crispy.
Yeah, like always.
The ketchup bottle was low on ketchup.
Yes, it was.
But I noticed that around all our tables.
Everybody was struggling to fill.
On ketchup. Yeah. The chicken, I enjoy the chicken. I love the cheese. I love the bacon. I like the barbecue sauce.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm very particular. I wouldn't say I loved it, but I did enjoy it.
Right.
It was kind of a mixture of a tangy and a sweet barbecue sauce.
Yeah, it wasn't like my favorite all-time barbecue sauce, but it wasn't bad either. It was in between. It was good. It was good.
Yeah. I've had way worse, and I've had better. It was pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
But since we shared the dish and it wasn't shareable, we should go get some new butterbeer snacks because it is butterbeer season.
Yes.
All the way through April 30th.
Nice. I want to try the caramels, whatever you want to call it.
Caramels.
Okay.
Caramels.
Caramels.
Let's just go get some stuff.
Yeah.
So I think what we need to do is go into sugar plums. Well, we just got out of sugar plums. Trying to celebrate butterbeer days. Apparently, it's not every day because they are out of caramels.
In 2 days. It's only been 2 days since it started.
And they won't have more for another 2 days. We're recording this on Sunday. They said they might have some more on Tuesday.
Didn't plan that very well, did they?
And they don't have any other treats. That's the one special treat they have right now.
What?
Oh, I'm biting my tongue a little bit.
Great planning.
Congratulations on a job done. Not well done, but done, Universal. So maybe next time I'm here, when I do like the Islands of Adventure update, I'll try to get some butterbeer caramels. So we're leaving the Wizarding World on bad news. But we have good news in San Francisco. Over here at Chez Alcatraz. Hashtag Save the Wall worked. The bartenders here have informed me that management is indeed going to save the wall. The power of you Flixsters has worked again. All right, moving on from Chez Alcatraz. I think we need to find a treat since we shared that non-shareable lunch. The lagoon here, Universal still has the water level down a bit, so we can still see the fountain structures. Here is an interesting and timely update inside of Rosie's Irish Shop. 0 days until St. Patrick's Day, because it's today. Revenge of the Mummy roller coaster is just a 20-minute wait. I think we're going to do single rider because the single rider line is open. Well, it looks like single rider is a walk-on. Just got off the Mummy. Not too bad, right, Nikki? 2 rides, 2 walk-ons today.
Very fun, single rider, totally worth it.
Yeah. I'm going to leave a link to our single rider song and music video.
Yes.
Yeah, go check that out.
That was a lot of fun to make.
Now we're going to go check out Finnegan's. So they should have like lines set up for the green beer, which most likely not too bad right now as far as the lines are concerned. But once it gets later on in the afternoon and Mardi Gras gets happening as well, then you might see some long lines for the green beer. A decent crowd at the bar already. These bartenders will be earning their tips today all the way until park closing. And then after Finnegan closes, people will be hitting up Pat O'Brien's tonight. Well, 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 my nemesis, Kung Fu Panda. The most famous panda. The best panda, Kung Fu Panda. Oh no, it's not. It's hashtag.
Exactly.
It's always pandemonium when hashtags around. Yeah. Still don't have a Panda Express line though.
I know, we need to fix that. I know, we really do.
Yeah, that's all I have for panda jokes, sorry.
Oh, that's okay, no worries.
The last Mardi Gras concert is the day I'm recording this. Sunday, March 17th, Zed. A rare Sunday night concert. Wait time's not too bad today. 30 minutes for Despicable Me Minion Mayhem. We are going to dip into CityWalk in search of that treat. I want to see if Twosomes or Voodoo Donuts has some type of St. Patty's Day treat. You know what I'm thinking? Even if they don't have a special St. Patty's Day drink or milkshake, I'll just get any old milkshake.
There's no St. Patrick's Day milkshake, but they have a Mardi Gras seasonal milkshake, which is the Year of the Dragon. And it's a creamsicle milkshake with marshmallow whipped topping and a chocolate dragon.
This will only be available until the end of Mardi Gras, April 7th, and it's $17. All done with the shake. We'll let Nikki give her opinion first.
Probably one of my favorite shakes of all time there. That's how good it was. The chocolate, or no, not chocolate. It was a white chocolate.
Yes, dragon on top.
The white chocolate dragon on top was awesome. It wasn't overpowering. And then the, what was it? The marshmallow kind of whipped cream on top of the creamsicle. Oh, so good. The only thing that I would change, which Rick and I disagree on, is I don't like the boba in it. Not in a milkshake. I don't know why. I just don't like boba in a milkshake.
Okay.
So if I got it again, I would say just don't include the boba.
Well, I find myself walking away disappointed, Nikki.
Wait, what?
I'm disappointed I had to share it.
Oh, I know, because it was so good.
And I'm disappointed it's going away at the end of Mardi Gras.
I know, they need to make another version of that, another iteration of it for year round, because it was so good. That orange creamsicle. The
orange creamsicle flavoring and the texture of the milkshake was spot on, perfect.
Yes, and the marshmallow topping, you wouldn't think marshmallow and creamsicle would go, but oh, it's a great combination.
It was
so good.
A phenomenal shake that's going away April 7th.
Oh, so hurry. Get it quick.
I know. But I still have to answer the question, does Voodoo Donuts have a St. Patty's Day donut? And yes, they do. They had it for the entire weekend. Today's the last day of it.
Now, it's not filled with anything, but it does have like a mint flavor to it. Very similar to...
like a mint vanilla?
Yes, a mint vanilla, like how you get at McDonald's, the...
Shamrock Shake?
Yeah, exactly. And it's got little gold flakes, which is super cute.
And I think that's going to end our day here. Don't miss the magic.
Don't miss the fun.
See you next time.